What is up, YouTube? 952 here, back with another video. These are, if I'm not mistaken, the Air Jordan 12 playoffs. Yes, sir. I got these off. I actually got these on. I got exclusive access to, what is it, the finish line, the status access, or whatever they call it. So here's your typical Jordan 12 box. I get a 9.5 on my 12s. I go half a size down. Yes, sir. So here's the label. Air Jordan 12 Retro, black, varsity, red, white. Yes, sir. These are the playoffs. Here we go. Okay. Now, right off the bat, these are nice. I just had to get them. Even if, I mean, I struck out on Sneakers Up anyway, but I'm glad I got the access to these on Finish Line. Shout out to Finish Line. Luckily, they still had my size. I checked it a couple hours, actually, maybe 2 or 3 hours, when they roll out that exclusive access or whatever, and they still had my size, thankfully. So, had to get them. So these are the playoffs, the 12s. I don't own many 12s, but I just had to get these because I don't have them originally. So you got the white here. Look at that. Then you got like this. I want to see silver. Jumpman right there. It says Jumpman. You got the black upper here, all leather, you know. And then right here you got the silver Jumpmans right here. Excuse me. Heading to the back of the shoe says Jordan. As with any 12 here, called inspired by the greatest player ever. Got the red box logo there with the black Jumpman on there. Got a red 23 on the white bottom part of the heel there. Same on this side. Got just a little gray piece there. Toe box. And then here we got the tongue here. We got the 2, 3. So TWO. Got the 3 there. Got a little. Look at this. What do we have here, huh? Where do we get this? Damn, Finish Line too. It's a little trash and stuff. Got that leather tongue. Got that red Jumpman. Here's the labeling. Boom. Take out the laces here a little bit. Got the insole. Standard insole. You got your black footbed with the red Jumpman. I don't know if I can get in there. There we go. And your sizing right there. And the bottom. Can't forget about the bottom, right? Got that nice traction. Got the black Jumpman, white bottom. Little infrared. That's a red, actually. Camera looks infrared, but it's red. You got the 23 there. You got that nice traction there. Now it's not, yeah, it's not carbon fiber right there, but got that nice traction. Kind of like a white midsole. A very clean shoe, honestly. Very clean. Let me get the other one real quick. Bam. There's always something on the new pair of Jordans, huh? Very clean. Like I said, black and white. Got that little red touch here. Very clean. Let me see. What the? Okay. But yeah, shout out to, let me see here. Finish Line. Yeah, it's gonna be a late upload. I got these back in March, actually, mid-March. But yeah, I'm glad I got them. I only have 12s. I only have the like the reverse flu games. I have those OVO ones, the Drake, the 12s, the all blacks. I'm looking for a white pair still, but I'm on I'm on the hunt for those still. But yeah, very clean pair. Can do one more little 360 here. And that's about it. Just a little quick unboxing review, as I always do. Here's the label one more time. All right. And you guys have a good one. See you guys in the next one. Peace.